Hey YouTube, it's Buckbuster coming at you. It's Thursday, June 16th. Swung by my local to work Walmart this morning on the way to work. And I did some flint scanning and saw that they had a case of Auto Match and a case of MiniMags. I walked over to the ammo counter and looked, didn't see any. Turned around and there was a pallet sitting there with some other odds and end boxes on it. And lo and behold, down at the bottom, I saw that right there. So I grabbed that case and made a mad dash to the front. Here's a tag, 20. Today's date at 5:20 in the morning. Case came in and case came out with me. Appreciate you guys watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster out.